Welcome back to Aren Isaac in GFX. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. So this is a new week on Monday, and I'm here to update you guys on Audi card. If you are new here, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and to welcome you officially to this great family. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you for your great support. So guys, on last weekend, that was on Friday, if I can remember clearly, we analyzed this market, and I saw, let us go back to daily time frame. So I'm here to show you the reality of forex trader. I'm here to show you what it means to be a forex trader. Sometimes you may lose, sometimes you win. So I'm here to show you the reality. I'm not here to fake it. I'm not here to fake anything. I'm here to show you the real thing. So on daily, I remember let's continue. Let's go back to weekly. If you can remember, this is just a review. On weekly, if you can remember, we said that our EMA was below the price action, and I told you guys that indicate that the current trend is bullish. And then we were analyzed and we say that the price broke this high, and instead of forming a high when it retraced back to here, the sellers were able to take this price deeper, take this price below this point. Okay, and if you can remember very well, I told you guys I can see a head and shoulder, possible head and shoulder, and we said this is the right shoulder, this is the head shoulder, this is the head. So you are waiting for the left shoulder to be formed in weekly time frame. When we went to daily time frame, if you can remember, I told you guys we had already formed a right shoulder, the head, which was a fake out, and then this is the left shoulder. So I told you guys that this is a sign of reversal. And we drew our neck point. This is the neck point, the blue line, which represent the support, So guys, I told you guys, if this neck support region is broken by a candle, a red candle like this one, we shall enter for a sell. And today being on Monday, on Friday the candle never broke this region. Okay, the candle never broke this region. Today being on Monday, I love to enter my trade on 1 hour. So let's go to 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. I told you guys that when we came to 4 hour time frame, we saw something here, and I explained everything. I explained where is our TP, how we reach to our TP. So we explained everything. So I told you guys the distance from this zone to this zone, if the price will manage to close this support with a bearish candle, the distance between this zone and this zone, the price will drop that distance. And if you can remember very well, we measured that distance, and we found that the price will come back, will drop from here to there as a TP1, and then if it will manage to drop from here, then we shall take our TP2 here. Are we together, guys? So that was a review. quick review. So today in the morning when we woke up and I saw something, the price action, if you can see very well, this is today on Monday. If you can see very well, on Monday, on 4-hour time frame, the price closed below our support. Can you see this red candle? The price closed below our support. Are we together, guys? It closed below our support, and then I told you guys, once it closed below our support, it was here. Once it closed below our support, if it will retest back, what do I mean? Let me explain. Let me explain to you. If it will retest back to our support, we shall enter for sell. We shall enter for a sell position. So the price was here back then. So the price came back. No, let me just repeat. The price was here. Then it came back and retest. Are we together? I love to enter my entry on 1 hour time frame. My entry is on 1 hour time frame. Are we together? My entry was on 1 hour time frame. So if you go back to 1 hour time frame, let's go to 1 hour time frame. You can see what I saw. If you go back to 1 hour time frame, you can see this candle, this candle. The price closed below this region with a bearish candle. The price closed this region with a bearish candle. If you can see very well, okay, it closed this region with a bearish candle, and above here we formed something like a supply region, 1 hour supply zone. So when the price retraced back up to here, when the price retraced back to our zone, I entered, and I told you guys to enter sell, position. And if you can see this candle, when it reached here, there was some resistance. This green candle, there was some resistance. Okay, my stop loss was above this line. My stop loss was there because I saw these, and once I saw this is the red line, the red zone. It means that it was a support then. It was a support back then, but once it was broken, it will be a resistance. So my stop loss was above here. My stop loss was above here. That's around how many pips? So my stop loss was around here. My entry was here. Okay, my stop loss was around there. That's around 10 pips. So my stop loss was around 10 pips. Okay, but unfortunately you can see, you can see clearly that the price has break this zone, okay, and took my stop loss, and took the stop loss. Okay, so it broke and took our stop loss. So the moment I saw this candle here, the way this candle broke and closed with a bullish as a bullish candle, I just came out of that market because I noticed that the price can use this region, to support for buying. Okay, so the price can use this region for as a support for buy, because you can see here there is a possible head and shoulder. The price can fake this region and go higher. Are we together, guys? So here, if the price will do, if the price will do like this, like that, it means whatever we saw, it means, let me show you guys. If the price will do like this, it means that the whole of this region, you see this price action, it will now be a fake out. So we were faked out. Okay, so the whole of this region, it will be now a fake out. Okay, so the bigger institution, they came for, listen, the bigger institution, they came for stop loss for buyers, and then because they knew that when sellers will see this, they will put their stop loss above here. So they affect the buyers and also they affect the sellers. Are we together, guys? This is natural, this is okay in forex. So do not be afraid. Those who have entered this market and your stop loss has been hit, it's okay. Not all the time we win, but make sure you are using a proper risk management. Make sure you are using a proper risk management. Not all the time you are going to win, but when we win, guys, we shall make sure that we have recovered our losses. We have recovered our losses. So what is the way forward about this pair? What is the way forward about this pair? Currently, I'm just watching this pair. I'm not going to enter any trade today until I'm just watching this pair. Okay, so if the pair will decide to retrace back here, now this zone will be a support, and you know very well I love to draw my support with a blue zone. So with a blue line, so it will be a blue line. So if the price will do like that, now we shall use this as a support, but I'm not going to enter that trade. I'm not going to enter that trade simply because it has violated my trade, my initial plan. Okay, I will not dare to enter this trade. So even if it will come back and retrace up to here, I will not dare to enter that trade. Are we together? I will not dare to enter that trade. So this is just a pair. We are going just to leave it the way it is. Okay, leave it the way it is and accept the loss. Accept the loss. It's okay. It's okay to lose in forex, but make sure you are not losing a lot. Are we together? Make sure you are not losing a lot. Make sure when you are losing a small percentage of your account. But when you are going to gain, I tell you guys, we are going to gain and we are going to recover our losses. Are we together, guys? So I shall be here showing you step by step how I will recover this loss. How I will recover this loss, and I will show you I will show you in a real account. I will show you. I will just screenshot and I will show you everything. Are we together? This is to show you how forex is. This is to show you how forex is. So if you are coming to forex with a mind of getting rich quick, my friend, I want you to change that mentality and know forex is like any other business. We expect some losses and we are going to expect some winning trade. Okay, but when we win, we are going to win big. So currently I'm watching this trade, and let me show you. Let me just give a possibility here that I can see. So if that trade will use this support, I'm expecting that trade to come up to here. Okay, I'm expecting it to come up to here. Since now this region, it will be now a fake out. Okay, it will be now a fake out. So I'm expecting that trade to come up to here, and once it broke here, you see what I've written here, 4-hour supply zone. I'm expecting the price, if it will break here, it shall continue to buy up to this region. It shall continue to buy up to this region, and then we are expecting a massive drop now. That is my expectation. That is my expectation, guys. But we shall continue watching this trade. We shall continue watching this trade. Don't enter this trade. Don't enter this trade because it has violated our trading plan. Okay, don't enter this trade because it has violated our trading plan. To those who have lost money today, I'm sorry for that, but we live to try another time. Okay, so let's go to Euro NZD. Let's go to Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Let's go to Euro NZD. Those are the trade I'm watching. Those are the pairs I'm watching. Euro NZD. Those are the pairs I'm watching. Very nice one. Very nice one, guys. Very nice one. So if you can remember, this is just a review of what we said. This is just a review of what we said. It's just a review of what we said. Okay. If you can remember very well, on last weekend. We said that we analyzed this market, and we said that let me show you what we said, and I can see the trade is obeying our plan. I can see the trade is obeying our plan. So we came to weekly. As you know, I'm a swing trader. I love analyzing my trade in weekly time frame. That is a higher time frame, okay, or even three month, 1 month time frame. If I cannot see proper direction of the market, I love to go to a higher time frame so that I can see the bigger picture. So when it comes to weekly, the price is still bullish. The price is still bullish. If you can see, our EMA is below the price action. And you can see here the blue zone, we said this is a strong support. If you can remember very well, we said this is a strong support. If you can remember very well, we said this is a strong support. And then the current high, which is a resistance, the current high that the price action has made is this one. Are we together? Is this one. And we say that the price has not break this high, but it broke with a wick. It broke with a wick. This is just a fake out. This is just a fake out. The way Audi card has done. This is just a fake out. Okay, this is just a fake out. And we say that the price, when the price reach here, sellers found momentum and brought the price action down. Are we together? So let's go to before we go to daily, we say that we had a mini resistance here. This red line, we said we had a mini resistance here. Okay, so we expected the price to come back here, and then sellers, we shall see presence of sellers to bring down the price action. That is what we said. Let's go to daily. Let's go to daily, guys. Daily, what we say that we say that there is head and shoulder, guys. If you can see very well, there is head and shoulder. This is the right shoulder, this is the head, and we said that the head is always a fake out. The head is always a fake out, just like the way Audi card has done. The head is always a fake out. Audi card is forming an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, the head is always a fake out. We said that this is the right shoulder, the left shoulder, the head, and then the price was yet to form the left shoulder, if you can see very well, and the price was back here by then. Okay, the price by then was back here, if you can remember. And we said that when the price will come back to this zone, we are expecting to see some resistance. Okay, and we said again, the current support is here. Can you remember, guys? This was the current support, the blue line. I said this is the daily support. Are we together, guys? And we said that the price is already forming an inverse head and shoulder. If you can remember very well, we said that the price is forming an inverse head and shoulder. This was the right shoulder, this is the head, and we were waiting if the price will come back here and find the resistance. We said that we are expecting the market to drop from there up to here to form the left shoulder. Are we together, guys? Are we together? So today, being on Monday, let's see what the price did. Did we hide a resistance? So if you can see very clearly, though the daily time frame has not ended, the kind of daily time frame has not closed, but we can start seeing some resistance. If you can see very well, this candle is forming a doji candle. This is a doji candle. A doji candle means that there is a confusion. Okay, there is a confusion. Either buyers or bear sellers are trying to. There is a confusion. I'm lacking a better word to say. A bearish doji candle, it means that there is indecision. Very good. There is no decision. Okay, the buyers are trying to bring the price action up, and the sellers are trying to resist. Okay, that's the meaning of doji. It simply means indecision. Okay, so we can see there is a doji candle here. Already we can see there is a doji candle here. This means that we might form a head and shoulder here. But I'm not I'm not going to predict it yet. We are going to chill and wait until this price action guarantee us that it's going down. Okay, so let's go to 4-hour time frame. Very nice one. Now you can see, guys, you can see very, very clearly. You can see that the sellers are now forming. They are now into the game. Okay, we can see now the sellers are now into the game all the time. From here, the buyers was very strong. Okay, the buyers had a momentum, but now we can see this candle. This candle, it has engulfed the green candle. If you can see very well, it has engulfed the green candle, even though the 4-hour candle has not closed. But we can start seeing signs of sellers. Are we together? We can now start seeing signs of sellers. Okay, so I'm still waiting for this market to form. I'm still waiting for this market to form. And what is the way forward now? What is the way forward now? The way forward now is this was the current support. Okay, this was the current support. The way forward is this is the market I'm watching. This is the only market I'm watching right now. So you know me very well. Okay, so by now you should know that blue zone is a support. Okay, that blue zone is a support. So if sellers will have momentum, and close below this zone, okay, and close below this zone, we shall enter for sale in 1 hour. Up to this zone that we marked here. If you can remember very well, we shall enter for sale up to this zone. Okay, we shall enter for sale up to that zone. That zone. So the price might decide to go this way. This is an option A. So if it goes like that, we shall enter for sale for that zone. Then another option, the price might decide to reach here. Remember, once the resistance is broken, it will form a support. So the price might decide to go up here. And once it goes up there, we shall not even dare to watch this market again. It has violated our trading plan. Okay, it has violated our trading plan. But if it goes like that as a plan B, we shall now forget about selling that market, and now we shall shift our mind, knowing that the price has break this supply zone. So we shall shift our mind and now look for a chance to buy. Okay, and now look for a chance to buy up to this point. Are we together? Are we together, guys? So that is an option A. Option B. Option C, the price might decide to consolidate to this zone, like that. Okay, it might decide to consolidate before it either go down or go bullish. Are we together? Before the sellers take control or the buyers take control. So please watch this market careful, and remember to use proper risk management. Be patient, guys. Do not lose hope. Trading is like that. Once we lose, it doesn't mean that is the end of the game. We are going to come back again, and we are going to win big. Otherwise, I just wanted to update you guys and not to fake anything. I'll be showing you reality. I'll be showing you the real thing. Are we together? I'll be showing you the real thing. I know trading has been painted in a wrong way. Trading is real, but outside there are so many scammers. Otherwise, If you have any question or if you have any comment, please remember to comment down below, and please guys support this channel and let us grow together.